NoteBook Code Generator tool helps the developer in generating the Spark notebook code in Python language. This tool is powered by LLM. With this tool, developer can give the prompt as an input to generate the code and also arrange the code logically as per their requirement. Let's explore the tool. First, enter the notebook file name and enter the prompt to read the data from a flat file and create a data frame. So once you enter the prompt, click on Add Step. Okay, now let's check the code, what it got generated based on the input prompt. Now I see that a sample underscore df is getting created. So now I would like to apply some filter condition on sample underscore df. Now change the prompt, enter the new prompt with the filter condition. So then click on Add Step. Now I see that a first filter condition has been applied on the data frame. So now I would like to add one more filter condition. For that, let's change the prompt and enter the new prompt here and click on Add Step. Now I see that the second filter condition also has been added on sample underscore df data frame. Now let's write the output of the data frame to a target file in a CSV file format. For that, enter the prompt and click on Add Step. Now I see that the data frame, it is writing into the target. But if you look at here, it is the data frame file, whatever it got generated, it is not right. I would like to regenerate this code. For that, click on Delete. Again, enter the prompt and click on Add Step. Now I see that the sample underscore df is content will be written to the target file in the CSV file format. Now I'm okay with the code. What I'll do is now I'll go ahead and save this code. To save this code, click on Save Code. Now let's open up the file and see that whether code has been generated properly or not. This is a file which got generated. Right click and open the file in a text editor. Here is a code which got generated as part of the prompts which we have entered to the notebook code generator tool. It has the detail about Spark session creation. It has the detail about creation of the data frames. It has the detail about the filter condition which we have entered, and also the target write logic as part of the notebook file. So now let's go back to the same notebook code generator session. Now let's swap the filter condition. So to swap the filter condition, you just click on the down button here. Now I can see that the filter condition got swapped. So now click on Save Code and check the file. Now I see that filter condition is also got swapped in the backend file. Now let's go back to the same session of the notebook code generator and delete one of the filter condition. Let's click on Delete button to delete the code. So now click on Save Code. Now let's check the file. Now I see that one of the filter condition has got removed. So now let's go back to the same session of the notebook code generator, and I would like to add that filter condition, whatever I have applied, whatever I have deleted earlier. So let's change the prompt, enter the prompt, click on Add Step. Now I see that the filter condition has been added back as a last step, but this is not the correct order of the code. Let's arrange the code. Click on down button here. Now I see that the filter conditions, and then at the end the writing the output to the target file. Now I see that logical sequence of the code. Let's click on Save Code button. Let's check the file. I see that the filter condition has been added to the code file. This way, we can generate the code step by step by providing the multiple prompts to this notebook code generator tool. With the AI capability of this tool, can increase the productivity of the notebook Spark code developer. Thank you.